Hey everyone, today in this video, we're gonna be checking out the HAIOOU end table. If you're interested in this product or you wanna find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. This is available in multiple quantity options. You can buy a single end table or you can buy a 2-pack. This is what it's gonna look like in its retail box and packaging. Now let's go ahead and open it up. All right, here's a look at all the contents. We have duplicates of everything because this is the 2-pack. If you had a single nightstand, then you'll just see half the stuff that we see right here. But duplicates of everything because we have 2 of them. We'll look at the charger really quick. 1 outlet and 2 USBs. Here's a look at the hardware kits. Drawer hardware, everything else right here for the legs. Now let's go ahead and get these built. Now let's walk through the assembly instructions. We'll go through each page here, just flipping through. First, we got our parts list and hardware kits and get a feel for everything that's included. Rough layout and diagram there. Next, we have some installation instructions right here. Feel free to look those over and pause if needed. The instructions continue on pages 6 and 7, and everything wraps up on page 8. Page 9 walks us through weight limits here. You can see the tech specs and warranty information. This does come with a 1-year warranty. And then lastly, we have a blank page on the back. Ta-da! Here's the finished nightstand, or in our case, end table. You can see both of them right there. Get a feel for the height. We'll see everything up close. We already have a lamp plugged in here, powered on. Working great. We'll open up the drawer, take a look at that. Then it shuts. It's inset a little bit too, if you're wondering, with the design there. Plenty of room underneath. Here's a look at the power cord. And what I did is I just went ahead, I tucked the rest of it in the back side of the table right there. And we still have access to 2 USB ports. Try to give you that full side view right here. We have a sticker that we can remove. Those come off pretty easily with just your fingernail there. You can see how that looks. Same thing, drawer just opens right up, goes back in. Everything looks great. If you're wondering about installation time, I'd say expect around 45 minutes to an hour to assemble, depending on how quick you are with tasks like this. Hopefully it's a little bit faster for you guys, but that can be what you could expect realistically. I love that we have the built-in outlet here. Since we're not using these as nightstands though, we're using these as end tables. I wish we had the option to configure this with 2 wall outlets instead of the USB ports. Those aren't gonna be used, but it'd be nice to have another outlet so we could plug this guy in right there. But again, if we really wanted to, we could run an extension cord here, tuck it underneath here, or do some sort of cable management to get multiple devices connected that way. Anything's better than nothing, in my opinion. Also, with this design, it'd be cool if it was actually sunk down or maybe off the back side there so it wouldn't be shown up at the top of the table. It would give you more space on the surface here. And it'd be cool if we could maybe, tuck it out of the way on the side. But I like what they're doing here with this. In this shot, you may notice we actually have the matching coffee table here too. So everything goes really nice together with the aesthetic here, and they make great end tables and they'd make great nightstands as well.